Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off dialing keypad sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the dialing keypad here, and if you type some numbers here, you will get small sound. Okay, for each press you will get small sound. If you would like to turn off this dialing keypad sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and go to system sound. Under sound you will have one option dialing keypad. Just turn off this button so that dialing keypad sound will not appear now. Listen, there is no sound, only it gets small vibration. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off dialing keyboard sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.